Good morning, students. I hope you all are very good. Welcome back to your maths class. So children, what we are going to do, yes, we are going to do measurement of mass and then we will do sums related to it. Okay, so measurement of mass, what does it mean? A simple balance or weighing balance is used to weigh things. Yes, as yesterday also in yesterday's video also we have discussed about it that we use simple balance or weighing balance to weigh things, right? अगर हमें वजन को measure करना होता है, किसी भी weight को measure करना होता है, for that we use simple balance, right? जो तराजू होता है, yes, and I have shown you even the picture of it, right? See children, this is the picture of a simple balance or weighing balance, right? Here you can see apples and pomegranate are kept, yes, and we can weigh things in this simple balance, right students? Okay, so now you have understood that how we use simple balance or weighing balance to weigh things, right? Now what is the unit that we are using to weigh heavier objects, right? किलोग्राम इज यूज टू वे हैवियर ऑब्जेक्ट्स, राइट? कौन सा यूनिट यूज किया जाता है भारी चीज़ों को मेजर करने के लिए? किलोग्राम. ओके, एंड ग्राम इज यूज टू वे लाइटर ऑब्जेक्ट्स. ओके, ग्राम जो है वो हल्की चीज़ें जो होती हैं उनको वे करने के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है, राइट? किलोग्राम जो है वो हम केजी के फॉर्म में लिखते हैं और ग्राम को हम जी के फॉर्म में लिखते हैं. एंड 1 kg इज इक्वल्स टू 1000 ग्राम, राइट? 1 kg किसके बराबर होता है? 1000 ग्राम के इक्वल होता है, right? Now I hope you have understood all these things and you have to do this work in your notebook. Okay, let me show you how you will do it. Children, in notebook, first of all you will write down the date and then you will write assignment 9.4, then measurement of mass. Okay, then you have to write the same lines as I have taught you just now. These same lines you have to write in your notebook in the same manner in neat and clean handwriting. Okay children, that a simple balance or weighing balance is used to weigh things, right? Kilogram is used to weigh heavier objects, gram is used to weigh lighter objects, kilogram is written as kg and gram is written as g, right? And 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram, right? Now we will do sums related to it. So children, these are the questions. Now here we have to convert. Okay, we have to do the conversion. Now here 2 kg is written and we have to convert them in gram. Okay, so in 1 kg how many grams are there? In 1 kg 1000 grams are there, right? 1000. It means that we have to multiply 2 with 1000. Yes, then we'll get the answer. So 2 ones are 2, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so here 2000 answer will come. 2000 gram. 2 kg is equals to 2000 gram. 4 kg is equals to, of course it will also change into 4000 gram, right? 8 kg is equals to 8000 gram, right? Because जब भी बड़ा यूनिट होता है, when a bigger unit is there and smaller unit we have to convert the bigger unit into smaller unit. At that time we will do multiplication. Okay, so we have done the multiplication of these numbers into 1000, right, to get the answers, right? Now see the next question. 5 meter is equals to dash centimeter. So 1 meter is equals to, we all know, is equal to 100 centimeter, right? So 5 meter is equals to 100 into 100 we have to do so that we can convert it into centimeters. So 5 into 100 is equals to 500. So here 500 centimeter is the answer. Okay, now 7 meter is equals to, yes, 700. 6 meter is equals to 600 centimeter. 4 meter is equals to 400 centimeter. 3 meter is equals to 300 centimeter, right? In this way we have done this exercise. Okay, you have to do this exercise in your notebook. Okay children, I hope you have understood, right? Okay, so please do it in a very good and clean manner in your notebook. Okay, so here in the notebook also we have to do the conversion questions. Okay, so that I have taught you on board, now we have to do in notebook also. Okay, convert 2 kg is equals to 2000 gram, 4 kg is equals to 4000 gram, because in 1 kg there are 1000 grams. Yes, and when we multiply this number by 1000 we will get this. Yes, 8 into 1000 is equals to 8000. 5 meter. Now meter, so 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters, so 5 meter is equals to 500 centimeter, right? 7 meter is equals to 700 centimeter, right? 6 meter is equals to 600 centimeter, right? 4 meter is equals to 400 centimeter, right? And 3 meter is equals to 300 centimeter. Okay, so in this manner we have to complete our work in our notebook. Okay children, and this is your today's work that you have to do. Okay, first of all you have to write down the measurement introduction, measurement of mass introduction, and then you have to do this exercise that is based on measurement of mass as well as on measurement of length. Okay, so I hope you can do these kind of sums on your own, right? So children, kindly do it in your notebook. Stay home, stay safe. God bless you all, and keep practicing and stay happy.